Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to turn on blinking cursor on your iPad. So open your settings application, go to accessibility, then go to motion, then you can see here prefer non-blinking cursor is turned on. You can simply click here to turn off that, and what it does means, and you can see here whenever we use the mouse pointer, go to any text application or text editing area, that will be start blinking with the cursor point. So if you turn on this feature, that will be not blinking. If you turn off this feature, it will be start blinking. So it is a safety feature. Some people does not like that blinking effect. Sometimes it's irritate them. So you can simply turn off that feature, like blueprint reading. So that's guys, I'm sorry for my bad English. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.